It's another day where it's a bazillion degrees here in Florida. We got a special cook for you. What'd you get?
I got filet mignon and shrimp.
Mayport
well, you got shrimp.
Yeah. So, you know, we don't get to eat filet very often, but we're kind of celebrating. One of us just got out of the hospital from being sick. So we're having a special cook today. We're going to take the fillets, wrap them in bacon. We're going to cook them up on this Artflame Insert for the Weber kettle. I got 4 fillets here. They weighed a little over 2 pounds combined, okay? So they're, you know, roughly a half a pound each. All we're gonna do is take a piece of this awesome bacon, all right? Wrap it around each one. I'm just gonna stick a toothpick in there like so, okay? We're gonna do that for all 4 of these beauties. And once I get this done, we'll make our way over. Look at that, perfect. We'll make our way over to that Artflame. Okay, get that in there. Perfect, okay? Just gonna put a couple of these toothpicks on each one, just to make sure our bacon doesn't fall off. And we're just going to put a little olive oil on this bad boy, like so. Boy, she's heating up good. Then just going to rub it all in, make sure we have a nice oiled surface. Now, you can use a rag, but I like to use this paper towel, because when I'm done here, I can just slide it down in here and burn it off. I don't know how well that shows up in the video, but you can see we're running, depends on where I point this guy, 550 right there next to the edge, 600 almost, 570. Let's get it going. Can you hear that awesome sizzle? In about 1 minute maybe. Okay. Gonna flip this bad boy over. Oh, look at that color. Just a little more oil. It's been about 1 more minute. Now what I'm going to do is pick these guys up on the bacon. Alright? We want these rare to medium rare today, so I'm not going to cook them very long. Okay, let's get this bacon crisping up. You notice I got one over here with no bacon. There's a reason for that. I'll explain that in a bit. In about a minute, just going to keep rotating it. We get that bacon nice, crisped up on the outside. Looking good, looking good. Guys are temping at 126. We're going to get them off here and let them rest. So what we're going to do is scrape a little bit of this off in here. Okay. And I got something to go with these steaks. We got some Mayport shrimp. What is this dressing? I mean, this marinade you put it in here?
Oh.
I just lost one.
It is a apple cider vinegar with ginger and sesame.
Apple cider, ginger, sesame.
Yep, and then I used some of the Sazon tropical.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to save the one that went in. Yeah. I'll eat it. Here's the dog steak. It only takes these shrimp a minute or so on each side. You can see they're starting to brown up. Not quite yet ready to turn. I gotta tell you, this Artflame is absolutely perfect for shrimp. Cooks them evenly. You don't have any falling through the grate. Shrimp been on here, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. You can see it's done on that side. If I can get it flipped over. Okay. Done on that side also. That'd be easier for me to show you that one. Look at that. Let's get these guys off here. Then we're going to do a taste test. Okay, so we sort of had a crisis measuring the temp. One of my temp gauges said 92, and then you got one, and what did it say?
It was 116.
25 out here, right?
Yeah, something
like that. And we took them inside where we, everything was calm. I was worried about overcooking these guys. And she probed them, and what was it, 116?
116.
116.
Yeah.
So, we're going to give it a cut. And there's been a little bit of talk lately about my knives. Tammy assures me this one's sharp. Okay. And it is. Look at it, it's cutting that filet like butter. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it around here so you can see it. Look at that. She's definitely a rare to medium rare. All right. All right. You can see there. Look.
It looks delicious.
Looking pretty good. I want to show you our bacon there, how we got it nice and crisp with that Artflame. Let's get our toothpick out. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is turn this over. As you know, Tammy wants, look at that. We got a sharp knife for a change. So no, I don't want any bad comments this time. I deserved them the last time. Okay. Want to make sure you get some bacon. Is that too big, or do you want
No,
some?
I'm hungry. I'm ready.
So you're ready for that whole thing?
Yeah.
You're ready for that whole piece of meat? Okay.
I am. I'm so hungry.
All right, I'm sorry guys, it's taking me a while to get this on the fork. That's yours.
Yay!
Okay. And I'm gonna get me a piece here with a piece of that bacon. All right.
Cheers.
Okay.
Oh, I might have been a little overzealous. Oh, okay.
It's delicious. Okay. So one thing we failed to mention, you saw I didn't season the steak before I put it on. When we took it off to rest, Tammy just hit it up with some kosher salt and cracked black pepper. That's all you need for a filet.
Wow, it's so good.
Cooked perfectly.
Yummy.
Melts like butter in your mouth.
Yum. It's so good.
Let's try one of those shrimp you made here.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it again? Ginger?
So it's a ginger and soy, or ginger and
Ooh, yummy.
and sesame with
I couldn't wait.
wow. Anyway, ginger and sesame.
Well, I hope you can see that.
and
Just cooked perfectly.
vinegar. Oh, good.
Okay. Thanks so much for watching another one of our videos. We're going to wrap this up and eat this filet.
Yeah, thanks for watching us eat.
If you're not a subscriber already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos.